My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Alrighty guys, so welcome back to the new vlog, but this is going to be the ending of the vlog because I really wanted my vlog to be focused on me making that sticker finally of a Kisei. Well, I didn't make it, but it's color comped and the idea of what I wanted to look like. So I know you guys couldn't see it that well, but it's him piecing you guys and holding up his gym bag, because if you guys don't know, Akise is a baseball player, so he has to keep his gym bag with him at all times and all that good stuff. So I'm very excited to work on this, and I'm very excited to get more OC stickers in my hands. So if you guys have been wanting a sticker of Akise, it's finally there. I just gotta digitally make it and get it in my hands. So yes, so announcement time. A lot of you guys don't like announcements, but it's going to have to happen. So I'm officially taking a hiatus off YouTube, which is going to start next week. This Friday will be my sketchbook update, and for the next 2 weeks, you're not going to see any videos from me on my channel. And I know that's saddening to say, but my life right now is just kind of coming all at once, and I just can't filter how to sort everything out in a simple manner. I'm going to be openly honest with you guys. My mental state is not where it's supposed to be. Like, I feel like I'm just bum rushed with everything, and YouTube is the only place in which I can be like, okay, I know what to do, but I want to get rid of that and, you know, come back as a fresh being. Okay, so I'm sorry for taking a sudden 2-week hiatus. I am still active on Instagram though, so if you guys want to catch up with me on another social media in which I am active, hit me up on Instagram, because I'm always on there. I'm legit always on Instagram. I'm not consistent with my posts anymore, but guaranteed, if you leave me a comment or whatever, DM me, I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like the whole process of me making a keepsake, little sticker design, and I will see you 2 weeks from now. Okay, so bye guys.